My pals, bienvenue chez moi. Je m'appelle Ludovic Dieumegard. I'm the head chef at the Harbourmaster in Aberaeron, and I'm gonna cook Welsh beef for you today. The cut that I've decided to use is short rib because I find it's an underrated cut of meat. It's a very tough muscle, but because we're gonna look after it, we're gonna cook it for 12 hours at 100 degrees. We're gonna get a great result and it's gonna be tender and juicy. So let's get on with it. Of Vermont Vowed. Let's have a look. The beef should be juicy, nice and tender, and it's gonna be delicious. So our beef is ready now. It's been chilling for a little bit. I'm gonna portion it, and what I do, I just cut between the ribs because I want to serve it on the rib. But you can see how tender it is. All you do, I'm gonna sear it on either side. It's cooked. All I want to do is make it crispy, make it glaze it, make it sticky. So we've got soya sauce for that. And when the beef has been roasting, it's been roasting in that tray. And in that tray, I've got liquid gold. The minerals, all the goodness of that beef who's been leaking in that tray because it's been slow cooking. So all that, we want to use it to make our sauce. And we don't really need a sauce, we just need a glaze to the beef. And we're going in a frying pan. Hot frying pan, you don't need oil in it because there's a bit of fat on a beef, but it's not bad fat, it's good fat. All we're doing now, we're gonna make it cooked. So we're gonna make it crispy all over, just to make it more delicious. We're gonna add the liquid gold to our pan. We're gonna season it again with the soya sauce just to make it succulent. And we're ready to serve. I'm putting just a pan on heat. I'm adding some oil, and I'm not shy. And it's gonna be like sauté potatoes. We're just gonna color them in the pan, and because they're quite sweet potatoes, they're gonna cook quite quickly. So you don't really need a fryer, you can do them in your frying pan. And when they're gonna be cooked, we're gonna add some chopped spring onion on top of it, some coriander, some pickled chilies, some sesame seeds, some yogurt, and we're gonna serve it, of course, with our Welsh short rib of beef glazed with soya sauce. So let's cook the sweet potatoes. Oh yes. We're getting there. So our chips are nice and colored now. I'm gonna season them now. But don't be afraid, sweet potatoes, because of the sugar content, won't go as crispy as normal chips.